Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Today, we are diving into a crucial topic for any medical device manufacturer looking to enter the Southeast Asian market: the ASEAN Common Submission Dossier Template, or CSDT. The goal of the CSDT is to harmonize the documentation required for medical device registration across the 10 member states. It is based on the globally recognized GHTF framework, which means if you have a technical file for a CE mark or FDA submission, you are already halfway there. This template promised to simplify market access, but the reality on the ground is far more complex. The CSDT is structured into several key sections. These include essential information like the executive summary, device description, manufacturer details, and labeling. It also requires a thorough risk analysis, evidence of conformity to essential principles of safety and performance, and often clinical evidence. Major ASEAN markets like Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and the Philippines have all adopted the CSDT framework. However, adoption does not mean uniform acceptance. Each country's regulatory body has its own specific interpretations and additional requirements. Let's consider a real-world scenario. An American company with a CE-marked cardiovascular device decided to expand into ASEAN using a single CSDT dossier. Their submission to Singapore's Health Sciences Authority, or HSA, was relatively straightforward. The HSA's process is well aligned with international standards. Riding on this success, they submitted the same dossier to Malaysia's Medical Device Authority. Here, they hit their first snag. The NDA required a specific conformity assessment body certificate that was not part of their original CE marking process, forcing an unexpected audit and a 2-month delay. Next, they approached Thailand. The Thai FDA accepted the CSDT format, but mandated that key sections of the dossier, including the instructions for use and labeling, be professionally translated into the Thai language. This was an unforeseen expense and added another 6 weeks to their timeline. Furthermore, Indonesia required the submission to be completed through their specific online portal, which had its own unique formatting requirements not covered by the standard CSDT. What was planned as a streamlined multi-country launch became a staggered, frustrating process. This case illustrates a critical lesson. The CSDT provides a common table of contents, but it is not a passport for the entire region. Each country remains a sovereign market with its own regulatory gatekeeper. Success in ASEAN requires more than just a well-prepared dossier. It demands a deep understanding of local nuances, language requirements, and the specific administrative procedures of each national authority. Proactive market research and engagement with local experts are not optional. They are essential. Navigating these variations is where expert guidance becomes critical. For help streamlining your market access across ASEAN, you can email or visit Chen-Global.